Now I'm going to stop talking because my makeup will get ruined. Now I'm going to stop talking because my makeup will get ruined. Firstly, I have to say that I mean, just sharing the stage with all these wonderful people, actors, artists, like human beings, it just feels really surreal. So thank you, Abhi, for bringing us all together. Thank you, Karan. Thank you, Sajid sir. Thank you, everybody, for making this happen. Um, Genuinely, I'm going to try very hard to be a little bit normal, but it's very difficult because I have a lot of love for my director and for my friend, and he's put in a lot of effort and hard work into making this film happen. And every time I see this, any visual or even right now watching this, it's really surreal. And I just have to say that he's the nicest, most amazing human being in the world. He is so nice that I just wish that this film, of course, we all wish for ourselves, but I really wish that it kills it. Mostly and mainly only for him because he's a lovely, lovely person and he deserves all the success and love in the world. Now I'm going to stop talking because my makeup will get ruined.
Good afternoon. Uh, Firstly, a big thank you to everyone. I know we have some fan club members here as well, and of course all the illustrious. We have all the illustrious members of the media here. Thank you so much for again showing up. It's a big day for us. It's a special day for all of us, and Kalank is something that was born in the fabric of our company and in our hearts many actually years ago. It was a film that was meant to be made a decade and a half ago, and then for various circumstances and reasons, the film wasn't made. But I'm so glad that eventually it was given to the right pair of hands and the right vision. It was nurtured and the story was beautifully developed by Shibani Batija, and the screenplay was intricately and also very beautifully developed by Abhishek Varman, who is also the director of the film. This has been a labor of love for the few years that have gone by, and all of us are extremely excited and exhilarated to share our vision with you. And of course, our vision has some very strong partners. So we are very honored and very privileged to have collaborated with some exceptional forces that have made this film possible. Starting with, of course, a prolific film producer and director, someone whose vision has always been mainstream and exceptional. I'd like to introduce to you Sajid Nadiadwala, our partner in this journey. Sajid is not only a dear friend, but has also been a true visionary as a filmmaker in mainstream land of Indian cinema. And Sajid, thank you so much for collaborating with us, and thank you for being a part of Kalank. And what do you have to share with us about your feelings today?
Good afternoon. It's been a great association with Karan. I started 35 years with his dad. He was my mentor. Whenever I used to be in trouble with my first film, I used to go to him at his Mahalakshmi's office and ask him all the problems about the distributors. What should I do next? After 2 states, this is a great experience again. Thank you, Karan, to put NG on board. It's not easy to put some other banner on board.
No, it's all about sharing and it's all about collaborating, which I believe is the future of our cinema as well.
No,
Strong collaborations make strong content.
I think it needs real guts, and thank you, you and Dharma and the whole team of Fox. And I won't take your time. Please.
No, please. And we'd like to now invite on stage, ladies and gentlemen, someone who has a force that has collaborated with us at Dharma and with Sajid. They've really stood tall and strong with us through thick and thin. I remember their journey in the main, as a studio, started with me about 9 years ago, and I'm happy to report that this has been a partnership that has been consistent, it has been constant, and there has been an emotionality attached despite the professionalism. I'd like to call on stage Vijay Singh, who's been a dear friend of the family of the company and also to all our vision that we share in cinema. Vijay Singh, ladies and gentlemen. Vijay, as I said, really in fact, Vijay and I go back even longer than that. When I did Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, Vijay was with Sony Music at that time. So I believe. Yeah. So when we celebrated 20 years of Kuch Kuch Hota, I can safely say we celebrated 20 years of you and me as well, Vijay. So how does it feel today, Vijay?
Amazing. Friends of the media, let me tell you, today is your lucky day. This doesn't happen on any normal day. What you're going to see that will follow is unbelievable. But I'm going to leave it at that. Karan, very special morning, very special partnership, a partnership that, as you rightly said, started 20 years back with you, a partnership that's been more recent but very enduring. So very, very special. As you know, as Fox, we do a fair number of films, and I know every film is like your own little baby, but then there's always one where you know this one was a little more blessed, and that is today's film. But I will leave it to Karan to tell us more about that.
Thank you, Vijay. And I'm going to call to complete the producer quartet on stage. I'm going to call on stage someone who's been my oldest and closest friend, a big support system to me, the backbone of Dharma Productions in many more ways than one. And he truly is somebody that I'm on a daily basis accountable to. Please let me call on stage Apurva Mehta, the CEO of Dharma Productions. Apurva, I know that it's a stressful afternoon for you because all the money on celluloid is eventually something that has been, well, I think gone through your very diligent and I would say keen-eyed books. So what does today morning feel? What does Kalank feel like to you?
So Kalank is Dharma's first period set film, and it's our most expensive film till date. I have to warn you that Abhishek Barman will join us soon, but please don't be fooled by his innocent face. He compromises on nothing, and you'll see that on the screen. But I think that's really what makes this film so special, that it's large, not only in scale and production, but also in its intent and emotion. And of course, it's all happened because we've had some really prolific partners who've made this film with us, and a stellar cast, and of course, some incredible technicians who work very hard. So I really hope all of you enjoy seeing it as much as we've enjoyed producing it. Otherwise, Vijay Singh is not going to be very happy with me.
I'm already smiling.
But thank you for being here.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I'd like, on behalf of Vijay Singh from Fox, Apurva Mehta from Dharma, Sajid from Nadyadwala Grandson, all of us standing tall and proud, we'd like to share with you the first visual, the teaser of our film that releases on the 17th April, Kalank. That, ladies and gentlemen, was the teaser of Kalank. Kalank releases worldwide on the 17th of April 2019. And I'd like to re-invite the producers on stage, please, again, before we, of course, introduce you to the filmmaker and then, of course, the cast. So I know Apurva already spoke about Abhishek. This is his second feature film. He started his journey in Dharma Productions. He was an AD and assistant director on My Name is Khan, and thereon has been one of our boy favorites in the company. Has truly been somebody who everyone truly loves and is really happy and proud for. But I have to tell you, he is one of the most shy people, an introvert with a capital I. It took us a long time to convince him to actually be here with us today because he really believes that his work should speak for himself and he should not. He's got 3 anxiety attacks and 4 panic attacks since the morning, including an acid reflux attack 2 days ago. So we don't have a director, we have a patient amongst us. And I think that before, he faints backstage, we should call him on. Please come here, Abhishek. Okay, so I promised that I won't ask him anything, but could you say good afternoon? Those are 2 simple words.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, okay, all right. Okay, that's as best as we can do, so we won't torture him. I have to say that the journey of Kalank with all of us began, like I said, a decade and a half ago. And the film had a star cast then, which was actually locked, signed, sealed, and delivered. And then, as I said, for various circumstances, we moved on from there. I did. And I'm so glad that today what we have is such a stupendous and illustrious and a stellar cast. It has been I would say, our dream to work with some of these forces as actors, and it's all come so beautifully together. I would say rightfully leading the cast, I'd like to call upon a friend of mine, actually somebody I've sat with for nearly 6 years. We've had our share of laughs. We have had our share of private jokes, some mild innuendos as well. But more than anything else, my respect and regard for her is totally paramount. She has been one of my favorite actors in Indian cinema, and she still reigns today and continues to be the force that she is. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Madhuri Dixit Nene. So, Madhuri, before we ask you, we're going to call the cast on. And so here, this is a girl I met for the first time on an award stage. Ironically, Madhuri was giving me the award as well. And she was one of the presenters. She was all of 8 or 9, I'm not sure. Mildly precocious, but always beautiful. And this is her second film with us in Dharma Productions. Gorgeous, stunning, a solid artist. Please welcome Sonakshi Sinha. All right. All right. I've spoken about innumerable times about her on this particular PVR stage. I would say this is her 8th or 9th film with Dharma Productions, possibly the most that we have seen of an actor in the company. Literally, figuratively, and every which way, the baby of Dharma Productions. Please welcome Alia Bhatt. All right, he, ladies and gentlemen, is a force of nature in so many ways. He was a dear friend of my father's and then became the closest heartbeat to all of us in our family. My father loved him and only had the best things to say about him right through his journey. Standing tall with him through thick and thin, this man is all heart. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Sanjay Dutt. His second outing with Dharma Productions, his third actually, his third outing, and has already resonated deeply with the ashiki of many, many hearts. Always gorgeous, always on point, and always the gentleman we know him to be. Please welcome Aditya Roy Kapoor. All right, and finally, he began his journey with us. Are bolne do? Okay. So he began his journey with us 7 years ago, and we rightfully believe that he is the marketing head of Dharma Productions.